Hi, I am Dr. Sanjay Kumar Ingre, Principal of Dr. A.D. Shinde Institute of Technology. In this lecture, we are going to discuss in detail the objective multiple choice questions on Unit 3, that is Management Practices. The key topics covered in this unit are Quality Circle, Kaizen, Six Sigma, TQM, Quality Standards, Lean Manufacturing, ERP. All this focuses on continuous improvement, increasing workplace efficiency, as well as maintaining the global quality standards. Let us start discussing the questions based on this one by one. The important question here is the quality circle is mainly concerned with. Now we know that the quality circles are the voluntary groups. They come together for solving work-related problem through their participation. Hence, the correct option out of this is employee participation in problem solving. Now, the next question is the Kaizen refers to. We know that Kaizen is a Japanese technique and it means the change for better. It focuses on small and continuous improvement, and hence the correct option here is B, that is continuous improvement. The other question is what is the TPM stands for? Now we know that TPM is basically a total productive maintenance that aims for zero breakdown and defects, and it is possible with the involvement and participation of all the employees. So here the option A is the correct answer. The other question is Six Sigma aims to. Basically in Six Sigma we are talking about the defects in parts per million, that is ppm, and the Six Sigma minimizes the variation and it reduces the defects to 3.4 parts per million opportunities, and hence the correct answer here is B, reduce defects to near zero. Next question is the importance of 5 years lies in. We know it is also another Japanese technique. There are different words starting with S, Japanese word, and it organizes the workplace for efficiency, safety and productivity. So out of a given option, option A, workplace cleanliness, is the correct answer for this. ISO 9001:2016 is related to. There are various standards. Okay, so this particular ISO 9001, it sets the requirement for quality management systems, and hence the correct option is A, quality management. Lean manufacturing focuses on is the next question, and we know lean basically eliminates non-value activities to improve the efficiency. So the main purpose of lean manufacturing is to eliminate waste. The correct answer is E. The next question is Kanban card system is used for. Basically the Kanban is used to give the signals of demands and control of the inventory. The correct option is inventory control, A. TQM stands for. Basically the TQM integrates all the functions for continuous quality improvement, and hence the answer is TQM stands for total quality management, A. The importance of Kaizen is the next question. As we know, Kaizen encourages the employees' ideas for small and continuous improvement. So the correct option is A, continuous small improvement. ISO 14000 focuses on is the next question. There are various QMS systems, and ISO 14000 provides the guidelines for environmental management system, and hence the correct option is E. OSHA 2020 standards are related to. So OSHA basically ensures safe and healthy working conditions, and hence it is related with occupational safety. The correct option is A. ERP helps organization by is the next question. And the ERP, it integrates the core business process into one system. So the answer is integrating processes, option A. Service quality is important because is the next question, and we know the high service quality, it ensures the loyalty and repeat business, and hence the correct answer is option A, builds satisfaction. The last question is service scape refers to the physical setting influencing the customer perception, and hence the correct option is A, it refers to physical environment. Thank you. We will meet for the next set of questions for unit 4 and 5 in the next video.